Welcome to the Roth Living Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're making it count with our mushroom asada tacos.
Yes. These are super easy and packed with big flavor. The meaty mushrooms are marinated and simmering until perfectly caramelized and juicy.
Oh, let me just think about that for a minute.
Me too.
Now, mushrooms are low in fat and calories, and that makes them filling and a weight loss friendly food.
Yes, and they support your immune health and heart health.
In this recipe, you simply marinate the mushrooms with the spices and then saute them.
Let's get started. We're going to place our cilantro, orange juice, soy sauce, lime juice, olive oil, chipotle, cumin, and Mexican oregano, as well as some minced garlic into a large bowl, preferably one with a lid, or try a Ziploc bag as well. We're going to add all of those spices as well as the mushrooms. We're going to gently toss that around in the bag until they're fully coated. Now, this is the part that's super important. If you would like a really good marinade, marinate it for about 3 to 4 hours, but 2, you'll definitely get it done with 2. Yeah.
Next up, we'll drain the mushrooms and we'll reserve 1 cup of the marinade. Now, let's place oil in a large nonstick saute pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, then we'll place the mushrooms in an even layer and cook them, and making sure not to disturb them too much until most of the moisture is cooked out of the mushrooms as they're sauteing. While you're doing that, you can warm up your tortillas in the microwave or on the stovetop.
Yes, and next we're going to add maybe about a half cup or a little less of the reserved marinade to the pan with the mushrooms and continue to cook and stir. While all of this is going on, we just want to make sure we watch it carefully because it can evaporate pretty quickly, about 2 minutes or so, maybe 3. Just watch it closely. From there, you're going to add another remaining cup or less than a half a cup of marinade to the skillet and cook. Stir often, believe me, stir often until they start to slightly caramelize. This takes about 4 to 6 minutes, but just watch it.
Now to serve, it's very simple. You just place a few spoonfuls of the mushrooms on the warm tortilla and top with minced onion, pickled red onion, and cilantro. You can even throw in a lemon wedge if you like.
Oh man, that's so good, Mom, so delicious. Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for healthy, flavorful, fun recipes.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count.
The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.